Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name's Jay and welcome to the channel on this glorious day once again. Yeah, it's nearly 7 o'clock here in the UK and I've come out after work before and I've come out too early and you still get the traffic, so I just felt like jumping on the bike. I've not been on the bike since Ireland, which was last Wednesday we came back, but I tell you what, it is good to be on the bike again, it really is. But no, this island trip, I didn't know what to expect from this island trip. A lot of people were saying take your waterproofs, and do you know what, we didn't even need them. It was 26, 27 degrees some days and it was just stunning, absolutely stunning. All those are out on, well, by the time you watch this, all those should be out on the channel. I think there's 2 or 3, maybe 3 or 4 episodes, and I'm getting some good feedback and people saying that, you know, it's on their bucket list to do. Well, you need to do it, you need to go and do it. Now, I did say to Moisty, who I went with, that if we go and it rains, because it's like, you know, one of those trips that ticks the bucket list, you've just got to probably suck it up and make it part of the experience. I know it's a bit shitty if it's like that, but as long as it's not cold, then it shouldn't be too bad. But some of those roads, awesome, and we only went for 4 days. Wasn't enough in my opinion. There was so much more to explore. We went to Connemara, all across the west coast, down there around Keene Beach, Achill Island, and I tell you what, that in itself is just stunning. Okay. Right, so that's a couple. I was going to go up there, to be fair, but I'm not going up there with that horse, because that horse will take forever to get down, which has now forced me onto this one, which I didn't really want to do on this. I really don't want to do on this. Oh god, what am I like? What am I like? There'll be a few people out for walks tonight, so just take it steady. I can't believe I'm doing this on the mighty GS. See, there's a bench here as well. We've got benches everywhere. Just got to be careful because, as you can see, there's horse shit everywhere. A, I don't want to be sliding on it, and B, it tells you that it's a really populated area for horses. So we're going to take it steady. See what happens. Bit of back brake as we go down. Oh shit. That wasn't too bad actually. I did shit myself though when I did that. So, because we probably have, well, we do have a lot of rain up here, we've just got to be careful of these rocks because these can puncture tyres. Especially this bit. Just take it easy. They don't just puncture, they actually would rip a hole in your tyre. Do you know what? That was actually no issue whatsoever, none. There was one issue. I would have liked to gone over that other side. Ooh. But it is what it is. It's nice to get out. I'm getting braver with this GS, I really am. Remember when I first did this and absolutely shit myself, but that was tame, really tame. I think it'd be a bit different story if it had puddles and stuff on it though. Well, it'd be interesting to see what this reservoir's like, see how full it is, because got some extreme heat and no rain. You know, it's starting to deplete into it. It's usually right up to the banks that. A few cars down there. I think I'm going to come back up and park on this grass here so I can get the drone up. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys, and please tune in and consider that subscribe. It really helps the channel, really motivates me to get more vlogs out as well. So yeah, thanks for joining this vlog, thanks for support and everything that you do. It's very much appreciated, and I shall see you on the next one. But remember, it doesn't matter where you're from, who you are, or what you ride. Every road is an adventure. Crazy out.